Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in with Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space, Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, and Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse for our monthly boy doll collab that's offered as a challenge. And this month is Dress a Boy Doll in Green. Well, I have Ken dolls, but I went to get something green and I could hardly find something. Doesn't his hair, even with this, that's why I didn't wet it down and hold it, doesn't he he just reminds me of boys in junior high and high school. They're too busy to go get a haircut when they need it, and it was the fashion. All right, let's take this shirt off. And I'll show you what I have. This is my straight arm Ken that I love these dolls. Let's pull this off. And I'll show you what I had in green. And oh, he's so buff. I love that. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. All right. I had this pair of pants, which I think I used, made and used for like an elf item, or I don't know what. But he's not going to wear those, and I'm not sure that is for his body style. So I did find a green backpack, and I found a fashion pack that I had gotten on clearance. Let's cut this open and pull this shirt out and take a look. We ask you to join in each month with different boy dolls. This one we are saying please use any boy doll at all, which I kind of like that. And then we give a theme. Like I said, this month is wearing green, or in green. And speaking of green, this is green for the planet. How about that? Okay, come on, Marna, pull it out. Oh, for heaven's sakes. There's probably a trick to this that I do not know, but I'm going to fold it over and pull. All right, all we're going to take out of here right now. Gilly, pass the scissors for the kachinkers. All I'm going to pull out of here right now is the green shirt. It's all I need. Get this Ken dress. You know, this looks kind of small too. Now it's not bad enough Barbies are in all these sizes. We've got these skinny Kens and the shorter Kens and taller Kens. And what is that one called? The buff Ken? I can't even think. He was a look doll. Leave that in the comments. What did we call him? Buff? Yeah, that's a little tight in there. But look, green shirt. Look at his stiff arms. Oh, I'm a zombie. I'm Frankenstein. And he has... And he has a backpack, and with his straight arms, I'm not sure. Come on, Ken. Great to be crazy. Come on, Ken. Pull up your backpack. There we go. There we go. Nope, he's too buff. Shoulders are too broad. Well, that's good. That's real good. But this does not have adjusting like a typical backpack, so he can carry it with his arm out straight like Frankenstein. Put it this way. And he can carry his... Oh, that's upside down. Silly me. All right, there we go. Ken in green. Thank you so much, Irene, Cynthia, Gosha. This is always fun. And like I said, I got him out and I started to fix his hair and I thought, I like it just like that. Thank you for watching. Please, 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 if you have a video today, leave it in my comments so that I come by and see your boy doll in green also. Please go by and see Gosha, Cynthia, and Irene's videos today, what boys they may have used and what green outfits they came up with. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.